everybody.
Put it up.
Where is he? He is right there. But today we are going to make slime. So yeah, let's get to it.
Put all this up.
Okay, so I virtually already made some, but I'm going to use this cup because I just made some also. So the things you will be needing is a mixing tool, a bowl, glue, and detergent, borax, or eye contact solution, any one of them. But what I'm using is I'm gonna be using detergent. Okay, so I have my detergent. I have my detergent. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour my glue into my bowl. The heck? Oh, there's some slime. Doesn't matter. Oh well. This gonna have to get mixed in the other slime. Okay, so I'm gonna pour some of the glue. Okay. Some got on my hand. Whatever. Okay. Some got on my. Okay, so we poured some in there. Now I'm going to get my detergent. So I'm going to pour a little bit at a time. Not like that much. Then I'm going to mix it. Dang, I got made some. They got in trouble. Oh well. So I just put a little bit and it's halfway already making slime. See, I just have to add more detergent. They're lying and they got in trouble.
Y'all got some bleach or something?
But, oh well, at least I'm not in trouble. I look so ugly when I do that.
Let me see if y'all got it.
So,
it'll come up, but I will.
they colored on the floor. And they...
They already got Clorox in.
So, I'm constantly mixing with my detergent. It's getting better and better and better and better. As you see. Okay. So this should be okay. So it needs more detergent because it's sticky, but it's getting there. Ugh. A way to get it off of your hands is hot water. So it melts the glue. It's very stiff now. But oh well. So yeah. Oh gosh. Okay. Better. I don't even care because it's gonna get stuck on my hands anyway, so. So it's not sticky anymore. Good thing. Wait, no it's not. Yay. It's almost very, very close to finishing. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I have. Take it all out. There's still some in here. this is what I have. Gotta add more detergent now. So I just took it off the thing. Oh yeah, add me on Snapchat. Add me on Snapchat is Hanna03 Houston 56 or pretty _ Hanna03. And then follow me on Musically, which is flawless _ pearl. Originally my cousin's name. It was her page. Add her on Snapchat too. I don't remember it and I don't care. Yeah. Also, make sure you follow this YouTube channel. Most likely you probably won't see this, but if you are, please subscribe to this channel because help a help a person that doesn't have a lot of subscribers because they need it. You won't see my face a lot, but every time he comes over here, I'll see if I can make a slime video. So here's my slime. I have food coloring, but I just forgot to put it in. But oh well. Okay, so my job here is finished. So that is how you make slime. You can put shaving cream in if you want to, but I used all of my shaving cream. So sad. But yeah, here's my slime. I'm going to put it in my other big batch giant slime. Oh, dang, there's more. I didn't even see. There's more in here. I'm just going to add this into it. Okay. I'm going to take this back. So I just made the owner of this video some slime. That's why, because I just want some. Got to add some food coloring in this one also, but because I was showing him how to. But there you go. This is my very, very big batch. You guys probably think that it's not, but it is. I made it poo colored. But yeah. Okay. I don't want to give this one a... But yeah. So this is my slime. So yeah. Make sure you subscribe, comment, no hate. And yeah. Wait, let's see. I just placed it in. Oh, I just found the patch. Up. That was a pop. And goodbye, people.